I'm delighted to share with you that Gartner has positioned Tata Communications in the Leaders Quadrant in the Magic Quadrant for Global Network Service Providers for the second time in a row. We are really delighted and grateful to Gartner for this recognition, and we will continue to do our best to remain and grow within the Leaders Quadrant because it's a great feather in our cap for everyone at Tata Communications. I'd like to tell all our customers and partners that we could not have done this without your help and your cooperation and your guidance throughout our journey. As we've expanded our presence from India to now being a global network service provider, your advice and contribution and support has been invaluable in helping us achieve this accolade. Over the last several years, we've realized that the growth of our network globally is really a function of having great partners around the world. Last year, this really came to full fruition and it was really tested when we launched IZO. In October 2014, Tata Communications broke the mold again. We broke the mold this time with our partners, 20 partners in 34 countries. And our objective was simple. How do we create a platform that will adapt to the public and private cloud environment that large enterprises are moving towards? We had to design a network that was based on bringing the internet with predictable routing and security to this situation where end users are fragmenting, using different kinds of access to reach the network, and at the same time the applications are fragmenting and splitting across both public and private instances. What IZO provides is the perfect environment. It allows deterministic routing to be offered through the internet. It allows for enterprises both to have private and public connectivity to their cloud-based applications. It also brings together 50 data centers around the world on day one that allows enterprises to create the right kind of IT setup for their business. IZO would not have been possible if Tata Communications did not operate a truly global Tier 1 IP network that has a top position across the world. We brought together the power of AS6453 with the extensive reach of our MPLS as well as Ethernet networks. We worked very closely with our partners in 34 countries in order to provide wide coverage. This list of countries that we're covering continues to grow on a daily and weekly basis. Our goal is to span the entire world with the reach of IZO. This will allow IZO to be the best platform for large enterprises to use and for cloud providers to use in order to serve their customers and reach their applications. On day one, IZO had a very powerful start. 20 partners, 34 countries, 85% of the world's GDP. The three largest cloud providers in the world, Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud. All three were available to our customers around the world. We brought together 50 data centers where large enterprises keep their private applications as well as some of the largest cloud providers offer their services from. This combination was possible only because of Tata Communications' approach to the business, an approach which is based on partnering, an approach which is based on globality, and most importantly, an approach which is heavily focused on innovation and finding new ways to do things. Constant pursuit of looking for new solutions to challenges that our customers face. I'm very proud to say that I have a team that works tirelessly on making this dream come alive and works tirelessly to be innovative, but always focused on what our customers require and always focused on how we can help strengthen our partners as well. Thank you, team. Let's work together to make sure that we continue to stay on the Magic Quadrant in the leaders category and continue to improve our position within that category. Thanks so much.